Digital key lock and self-check-in process flow. Upon receiving the confirmation letter, guests are invited to proceed with self-service check-in prior to arrival. During the self-check-in process, guests are required to complete all mandatory personal information, provide a digital signature on the e-registration card. Click Next to proceed. If permitted by the hotel's policy, the system allows guests to select their preferred room. Once the room selection is completed, guests can proceed to the next step. The system will then direct guests to the payment page where integration with an online payment gateway enables secure transactions. Guests can complete payment instantly. Upon successful payment, a QR code is generated and displayed. This QR code can be used for verification purposes when required. Arrival and digital access. For guests arriving today who have completed pre-check-in in advance, a welcome letter will be sent. The letter includes a QR code that provides access to the guest mobile app. Within the guest app, guests can tap on the QR with the room number icon to retrieve their digital door lock passcode. The room number and passcode will be displayed and remain valid throughout the stay. Example, room number SGL102 and passcode 6653673 #. Guests can then proceed directly to their assigned room and access it using the provided passcode, eliminating the need to visit the front desk. This digital key lock solution enables a fully contactless and seamless guest journey, enhancing guest convenience, operational efficiency, reduced front desk workload.